Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to set up your HP ScanJet Pro 3600 F1 scanner step by step, from unboxing the device to installing software and completing your first scan. So stay with me until the end to make sure your scanner is installed correctly and ready to use. Let's get started. Step 1. First, place your scanner on a flat and stable surface. Make sure the area is well ventilated, dust-free, away from direct sunlight, and within a temperature range of 15 to 30 degrees Celsius. Proper placement helps improve scanner performance and increases device life. Step 2. Now, carefully remove your scanner from the box. Inside the package, you will find the HP ScanJet Pro 3600 F1 scanner, power adapter and power cable, USB cable, setup documentation. Next, remove all protective tapes, plastic covers, and packaging materials from the scanner. Make sure nothing is left inside the paper path before moving forward. Step 3. Now, connect the power adapter to the scanner. Then, plug the power cable into a wall outlet or surge protector. Important: always use the original HP power cable provided with the scanner to avoid damage. Once connected, press the power button to turn on the scanner. Wait until the indicator light becomes stable. Step 4. Next, connect your scanner using a USB cable. If you are using Windows, do not connect the USB cable yet until prompted during software installation. If you are using Mac, connect the USB cable now before installing the software. Step 5. Now, open your web browser and go to www.hp.com/support. Then, follow these steps. Select Software and Drivers. Enter your scanner model, HP ScanJet Pro 3600 F1. Download the latest driver for your operating system. Open the downloaded file. Follow the on-screen instructions. During installation, choose USB connection when asked. This completes the software setup. Step 6. Now, open the automatic document feeder. Insert your documents facing downward into the feeder tray. Adjust the paper guides so they fit properly against the document edges. This helps prevent paper misalignment during scanning. Step 7. Open HP Scan software on your computer. Select your scanner from the list. Choose your scan settings such as document type, resolution, file format, save location, then click Scan. Your first scan is now complete. Your HP ScanJet Pro 3600 F1 scanner is ready to use. And next, troubleshooting quick tips. If your scanner is not detected, restart the scanner, restart your computer, reconnect the USB cable, reinstall the HP scanner software. These steps solve most setup issues quickly. And that's it. Your HP ScanJet Pro 3600 F1 scanner setup is now complete. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more printer and scanner setup tutorials. If you still face any problems during installation, to contact our support team. Our technical support team is always ready to help you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.